How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Facebook account permanently, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to delete your Facebook account permanently, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all just make sure to launch Facebook. Once you launch Facebook, make sure to tap the three lines option that you can find over here. Then you just want to make sure to tap the gear icon that you can find again. Then once you come to gear icon, tap on See More in Account Center, then go to Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, then go to Deactivation or Deletion. Select the option called Your Facebook Account and then just select Delete Account here, because Deactivate is going to get selected by default, so switch to Delete. Tap on Continue, follow the on-screen instructions such as Continue and so on, and you should be able to delete your Facebook account over here. This way you will be able to delete Facebook account permanently. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.